Hi, AMC here, and I am with my beautiful mum today to celebrate the release of Life of the Party, which comes out in cinemas on May 10. I have given her a makeover, just like Melissa McCarthy's character in the film. If you want to keep on watching, you can see how I turned my mum into this. Okay, so I'm going to start off with spraying your face.
Oh gosh.
So don't breathe. I'm just going to add a bit of foundation. Okay, so I'm just going to do a bit of concealing with the NARS concealer just under the eyes a little bit.
What's that?
NARS concealer, look up.
What's that for?
It's to conceal under the eyes the dark circles. This is just blending it in. The contour that I used wasn't dark enough for my mum's skin, so I'm just going in with a darker one. This is the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. So, as you can see, it's darker. And these are just going to give you higher cheekbones, even though you already have high cheekbones. Okay, I'm going to do some eyeshadows now. And I'm using the Narcissist Wanted palette.
That's nice, that one.
So I'm just adding a brown shadow in the crease. I'm just lining your eye.
Yeah, my eye it got in.
So I just gave you a winged liner with the NARS
What
eyeliner
brand?
stylo. NARS. So we're gonna do lashes.
Oh.
Because I'm extra.
Like this. Because I can't see.
Look. Oh wow, Mum, they look nice, Mum. Bronze your face up.
Okay, what color is that?
It's Hoola by Benefit.
Oh yeah. Oh, they're nice. I like Benefit.
Me too. Now we're gonna make you glow.
Oh, is that?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice color.
It is. It's really nice. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is in Single. I think it's called Single.
That's nice. Cora?
Mm-hmm. So just a bit of pop of gloss, Mum.
Mm-hmm.
This gloss is the Charlotte
What's that?
Tilbury.
Just to make it shine or?
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna do your hair now.
Oh yeah? Make sure you don't...
Mum, don't worry.
Make sure you don't burn my neck.
You used to have a perm, Mum.
I know, but... oh.
How come you used to perm your hair?
Because there was a style before. Oh, that's really, really...
Mum,
Okay.
can you just chill?
Chill out.
Okay, so I think since you're wearing an off-the-shoulder top, we can put some glow on. The new Fenty
Oh, that smells
Beauty.
really nice.
Isn't it nice? I'm just going to use the brush to buff it in too.
Mm-hmm.
So that was a makeover for you, Mum.
Yeah.
Just like how Melissa McCarthy did in the movie Life of the Party. Now you're going to be the life of the party, Mum.
Yeah, I've seen the shorts on that.
Yeah. So I hope you enjoyed watching me give my mum a makeover. She looks absolutely stunning and I think she really loves it. Do you, Mum?
I do love it.
So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.